In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete files from Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a file to the bin and then remove it for good, so it no longer takes up space or appears in your account. First, a quick note on how Google Drive handles deletions. When you remove a file, it doesn't disappear right away. It moves to the bin, where it typically stays for a period of time before being auto-removed. If you want it gone immediately, you need to take one extra action inside the bin. I'll walk you through both parts so you don't leave anything behind unintentionally. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for work and personal use. Let's begin. Open your browser and click the Google Apps icon, the small grid of squares usually in the top right corner of a Google page. From that menu, click Drive to launch Google Drive. Once Drive is open, locate the specific file you want to remove. Hover your cursor over that file to reveal more options. Right-click on the file and choose Move to Bin. This step removes the file from its original location and places it in the bin, but it is not yet permanently deleted. To finish the job, go to the bin inside Google Drive. You'll find Bin in the left-hand sidebar. Open it to see everything you've recently removed. Find the same file, click the three dots menu associated with it, and then click Delete. In many interfaces, this option appears as Delete Forever. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it carefully and proceed only if you're absolutely sure. After this, the file is permanently removed and cannot be recovered through Drive. A few helpful tips before you wrap up. If storage space is your main concern, permanently deleting from the bin is what actually frees up room. If the file might be important later, consider downloading a copy before you delete it forever. For shared files, if you're not the owner, removing them may only affect your view, not the owner's. Ownership determines who can delete permanently. And if you have multiple items to clear, you can repeat these same actions for each file or folder in the bin. That's it. You clicked Google Apps, open Drive, move the file to the bin, then use the three dots in the bin to delete it permanently. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.